Hey, Corey with BARC Tree Care here. Welcome back to the channel. Got a fun challenge today. We have a little bit of stuff back in the right of way, and I'm going to show you here. So we had to make an access through the fence there, and then we've got this hammer dead cottonwood tree that goes up and over, and I'm going to show you the back side of it. This thing is something else. So we're gonna come back through here. Check this out. That's super rotten down here in the base. Looks like at some point another side split off over here. And this has a pretty hard lean. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it leans out real hard over this yard. And we've been having a lot of high winds lately. With all the high winds, I don't know how this thing hasn't come down yet on its own. It is amazing to me that it's still standing, but we're gonna get it down before it comes and busts out their fence. And there's a couple of buildings that are the neighbors that might be at risk. So we're gonna get that taken care of. And then right beside it, we've got this other elm tree that's got some bad spots on it. Then we've got, probably can't see it because of the sun. Got another portion right in here. And then there's another cottonwood tree that's got a piece that goes way up over there and over there. We're just gonna take it back to down here, and then at some point they want a quote at clearing back here. Got a little bit of work on down the road for the neighbor as well, just over here to the south of us, but let's get into this. Update on the tree. We've gotten quite a bit of it down. We were all the way up, way out over there. Got that down. Got that down out of there. It's down over here. We still got get it back over the fence here. So we've got a good bit of work ahead of us yet. Let's get her done.